Greetings everyone, my name is Mudzingwa Caesar and I'm going to give you a presentation, a guide on how to teach students online using Google Meet. So what is Google Meet? It is a video conferencing platform that allows to connect with students face to face regardless of their location. This software is run by Google, so you can easily access it online. If you just type Google Meet online, you access it. It is a free tool and it is available to everyone, so you just need to have a Google account so that you can access it. So let's look at the benefits of using Google Meet before we can get into how we can use it. First of all, it results in increased engagement. It helps to increase engagement by providing a more interactive learning experience. So this helps us to have improved communication in real time. This can help improve understanding and reduce confusion. So in times where we cannot meet our students face to face, we can actually use Google Meet. Furthermore, it helps us to enhance collaboration. So it provides a number of features that helps students to collaborate on projects. So students can share screens and can use whiteboards. Whiteboards can be used for drawing or illustrating a concept. Furthermore, it has greater accessibility. This means you can use it from any device with internet connection. So it is more accessible to students. If you compare it to other options like Skype, it is a bit cheaper. So to students who may not have access to a traditional classroom, they can actually access Google Meet from wherever they are. So how can we use Google Meet to teach our students? First, there are two ways to use Google Meet for teaching. You can either create an instant meeting or you can use a schedule meeting. So the best way is to schedule a meeting on your Google Calendar. You just click the create event button, then click on add a Google Meet, then you start video conferencing. I think the schedule a meeting option is the best because you can actually prepare in advance. You can tell your students in advance so that they can make sure that on the day they have proper internet connection rather than creating an instant meeting. An instant meeting can be used by people who are working in the same organization where they are actually sure that everyone has internet connection, so they can create a meeting instantly. So when you open Google Meet, there is a screen like this. You click your new meeting button, so it gives you these options: create a meeting for later, start an instant messaging, schedule in Google Calendar. So if you are creating a meeting for later during the day, you can use this option. If you are using instant meeting, you can use this button, and if you want to schedule it in a Google Calendar, you can use this one. So what's going to happen is that a meeting link is going to be generated. If you copy this link, you just click. If you copy this link, you can give your students the link. Then they can now access the meeting using that link. So there is something like this. You can add a title for the meeting so that people are aware of what they are going to be doing or what the meeting is about or what the lesson is about. So you can also choose the number of participants. If you look at here, it's saying up to 100 participants. So you can actually accommodate a number of people on this one. So what you need to do on the day of presenting, you need to share your screen. So when you click the meeting, at the bottom of the screen, there is a present now button. If you select this one, you get the option to share the entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. So if you are sharing a Chrome tab, Chrome is the browser which works hand in hand with other Google applications. So if you are sharing a Chrome tab, you can select the checkbox to share the audio from the table so that it becomes audible. Otherwise, you'll be presenting and the students won't hear what you'll be presenting. Then after doing that, you click share. So if you look at this, the screen will be like this. You click the present now, then you go to this. It's either you want to share the whole screen, just want to share a portion, a window. If you choose a window, you can just choose the PowerPoint button. Then you can just press the window, or you can choose a Chrome tab. If you are presenting in Google Chrome, you can just choose a Chrome tab. Then you present your lesson. Then after you are done, there will also be an option saying stop presenting. Then if you click here, you stop presenting and you will be done. So there are various features you can use on Google Meet. First, you can share the screen as I was demonstrating. Then you can do what is called whiteboarding. This whiteboarding feature is used to draw, write and annotate to students. Maybe you're teaching maths and you want to explain an addition concept, a subtraction concept or a multiplication concept. You can just use the whiteboard feature. Then there are live captions which can be used by the audience, the students. If the students want to tell you something or they want to ask something while you're presenting, they can use live captions. These live captions will just appear on the screen and you'll be reading them from wherever you are. Then you can also use breakout rooms. This is when you break students into smaller groups for discussions or activities. Maybe you are teaching a mathematics concept and you want to see if students have actually understood. So you create breakout rooms for the discussion. I hope you understood. Thank you for your time.